Hello everyone, welcome to AI Alchemy. Today, I am going to show you how to create video using HeyGen app in Canva. You can actually use their own avatar, but it would not be fun if we use the stock avatar. So first, let me show you how you can create your own Pixar avatar using playgroundai.com. Go to playgroundai.com. As I already have an account with Playground AI, I can log in using my Google account. Log into Playground AI by clicking on Log into Google. Next, you will be presented with this page. To create your own avatar, click on the top left to show the options. Then click on Create Board. You will be presented with this page. Then click on the Add Image on the left side of the screen. Add your image, then in the prompt just type Pixar image with suit and tie. Click Generate. Click on the download to download the image to your computer. So now that you have the avatar with your own image, you can now go to Canva. Click on Create Video. First, you need to add the app. Scroll down to the apps. On the search bar, type Hey and select the HeyGen AI video. Click Open. Then connect. If you have not already have HeyGen app, it will ask you to sign up to HeyGen. Don't worry, as they won't ask for your card for signing up with them. Once you have connected, you can start uploading your avatar that you have downloaded. Don't forget to click on the avatar after you upload, as it is defaulting to HeyGen app avatar. Enter the script that you require and then select the voice. Once you are happy with the selection, click on the Generate AI video. You can add about 1 minute of script to generate the AI video. Make sure you listen to your script first before you click Generate, as you only have 2 credits to play with. Click on Generate Video. If the video is longer than 1 minute, HeyGen app will tell you that it can't generate the video. Delete part of the script so it can be less than 1 minute. The video generation will take about few minutes to generate. Once it's ready, it will appear on the screen. Click on Add to Design. Using Canva, you can now edit the video as you like. I hope this video has been informative for you and will inspire you to either create your own avatar in Playground AI and talking avatar using HeyGen in Canva. Until next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI videos.